Hey everyone, welcome back to Siblings Crafts. It's Mother's Day tomorrow, so we have a really great Mother's Day craft for you guys to do. Enjoy! You'll need colored papers, scissors, glue stick, and a marker. Start by folding the paper in half. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut strips all the way through as shown. Now apply some glue on one side, exactly where I'm putting it, and fold. Now you're going to roll it up from one side all the way to the other. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you all in the next Siblings Crafts video. Bye!